Welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into the Workflow Secrets Properties dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. The Team Property Stats dashboard is a dashboard for all team leaders and team members to find information without wasting time trying to locate each property individually. This dashboard is designed very similar to the Property Stats dashboard with NMLS, under contract, and closed status listings being shown, as well as all of the new listings in your inventory being featured on the far left-hand side. The only difference is now in the very middle section, you have the ability to see which team members are bringing in the most properties so that you can better understand how those efforts are compounding to your team's success. When you click on any given team member, you're then able to see how each of their individual efforts are contributing towards that team number, as well as which of those different properties are being featured for any of the given fields that they fall into. Now, the last really cool thing that you can do in the Team Property Stats dashboard is on the far right-hand side on the very top, you have a drop-down menu that allows you to sort by any given date range so that you can better understand how your team's efforts are scaling over time to contribute to your team's goals. I hope you enjoyed today's lessons. These are the Workflow Secret dashboards. If you have any questions, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to get you taken care of. But until then, we'll see you later.